Climb inside the 2011 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.